One of the things that we always do will be the strong sense of arrival. So here we have introduced a driveway lined with some heritage tree and arriving at the drop-off, which is at the clubhouse, which is modeled and inspired by a black and white bungalow. We will have a 50-meter long swimming pool. We will have other sort of leisure pool as well. And the green lawn, these are some of the sort of DNA that you typically find in a Guacoland project. What is new here would be a camping site because we are next to a nature area, and so we have introduced a site that you can sort of do camping in your own estate. We have various sort of gourmet kind of a pavilion that will be overlooking the park outside. We've also introduced a pet garden so that owners can, within the estate, kind of walk their pets and let them exercise a little bit and so on.